Welcome to the session 2.12 part 1 of your chapter Optics. In this session we'll be discussing about the sign convention of lenses, and under this I made two videos because the first video will be discussing and understand what are the rules and how we can implement it in a problem, and in the second video I just made it just for you to know what they wrote in your textbooks, and that's all is about the second video. Okay, now going on with the first one. This is the first image, and the topic suggests sign convention part 1. Okay, this is a convex lens which is called as a converging lens, right? So and this blue line indicates the incident ray which is going from left to right, and then after that it meets the convex lens. Since convex lens is a converging lens, it converges the incident ray, and the ray just passes through the focus of the lens, and after passing through it, it meets the another ray. This another ray is going to be in the same direction, but what I mean is that it is going to travel from left to right through optical center of the lens, so there will be no deviation or convergence, and due to that the ray will meet the first ray at this point, and this point will behave or will form an image of this object. So the main thing needed for the experiment is that the object and the object is kept here, and what are the other things? Okay, fine. Sign convention. What is actually sign convention? First of all, you need to know three basically three things. First one is u. U is just nothing but the distance between image and optical center of the lens. Okay, and the second thing is v. V is the distance between optical center and image, and the last one is f, focal length. You know what is a focal length, and probably they will be giving what is the focal length of the lens in the question, so no need to worry about the focal length. Okay, then that's all. We know what is the lens formula, right? 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u, right? This is lens formula, and what the council thought is that some students might take the length of the object from here to there, and they will be just mixing each other things, and they'll be getting wrong answers. So for that, to negotiate these things, they found some 6 rules, and if you use these 6 rules, you'll be getting what is the answer required, and thus this is called a sign convention. Okay, okay, let us see what a sign convention it is. So why I wrote this direction as positive and this direction as negative? The first thing is that the direction of incident light is taken as positive, so this direction is incident light's direction, so we took it as positive. And here the vice versa direction, that is from right to left, is taken as negative, and this might be the first rule. Okay, then the second one is, each time if you are going to measure u, just simple u, the object distance, you must start from the optical center of the lens, and it must extend till the object, and you need to calculate it. So according to your scale, this is 0 centimeter, and after that there will be some finite distant object, so this will be around 10 centimeter, right? 10 centimeter. Okay, so your ruler scale is starting from 0, and it must end in some finite distance like 1 2 3 4 5 6 something, and the ruler scale is going to follow this direction, the arrow, it is going to follow the arrow direction, right? And what you can see is that the incident rays direction is opposite to that of u, and thus what we will be doing is that we need to write what is that, initial distance of object u is equal to minus 10. This is called sign convention. This is a part of sign convention. And the second thing, very simple, you know that this is v, right? And how you are going to measure v from optical center to the point where the image is formed in this direction. So here, anytime, anywhere, if you are going to use a ruler or your just brain, you need to start 0 at optical center, and after that you will be measuring it till the image or the object, and you will be getting a finite measure. It can be around 8 centimeter, I guess, 8 centimeter. And for this you need to see what is the sign convention. Sign convention means positive or negative. In these two, which one you are going to take, that's called sign convention. And here, if you see the direction of the v which you are going to calculate is from left to right. Then the incident rays direction is also from left to right, so we can take v as positive. So we can simply write v is equal to 8 centimeter, and in beforehand we wrote u is equal to minus 10 centimeter. We have two values, and what we need to find is the remaining one, that is focal length. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. This is lens formula, and we are going to apply what we got it. V is equal to 8 centimeter and u is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Then after that, 1 by f is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by minus 10, right? 1 by minus 10, and here is a minus and here is also a minus, so minus into minus gets cancelled out and it becomes 10. It becomes plus. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 10, and after solving it you will be getting f as some value, which I am going to mention it as a. Well, that's okay, right? You will be getting some value for f. That's all. That's it, sign convention, that's all. And after that you need to learn another thing. We will be seeing what is magnification. I can't write it well. What is magnification, you will be seeing it, and for that we also need sign convention. So what we are taking is that, see it clearly. The object is pointing upwards, right? And the real image is going to point downwards. And if you are going to get an erect image, it will also point upwards. So anything which is going to point upwards from the principal axis is taken as positive, and anything which is going to point downward from the principal axis is taken as negative. And normally what they are going to give is that size of the object or size of the image. Well, for a simple thing I can say that magnification is equal to minus v by u, or else you can just simply say that h of object by h of image. Well, wait a minute, object image, okay, it's not object image, it's image object. Let it be anything, we'll be studying it in the next upcoming sessions, okay? So this is what the formula for magnification, and under this you need to find height of image, height of object, right? So here they will be giving, just simply they will be giving the size of the object is equal to 10 centimeter, and the size of the image is equal to 5 centimeter. What is the magnification, they will be asking, and they will mention it as the image is a real image. So real image will be always formed in downward direction from the principal axis. So according to sign convention, you need to take the size of the image as minus 5 centimeter. So finally what will be, I'm sorry, and well, and after that what you'll be getting is that height of image divided by height of object, which is equal to minus 0.2, I guess. 2, right? Yeah, it may be 2, maybe 2. No, it's not 0.2, I'm sorry, it's 0.5. Fine, let it be 0.5. 0.5 minus 0.5. What does this minus indicates is, minus indicates that the image is a real image. If it comes to be positive, then the image is erect, which will be forming somewhere here, right? That is called as erect image. That's why, that's what they are saying, that we need to see the sign convention, negative, positive. These things are very much important, and we need to consider it in most of the cases, and it's very much important. Okay, that's all here, I guess. Yeah, that's all here, and the final image is this thing, sign convention for lenses. And here they gave this direction is negative and this direction is positive, upward is positive, downward is negative. Why? Because see, I thought here, right, incident ray is going from left to right, so always the incident ray's direction is taken as positive. And another thing is that the object is pointing upwards, so the upward direction is taken as positive. See, positive, negative, and negative, positive. And that's all here. Everything they said, for each and every lenses it is common. There is nothing more difference. Focal length of convex lens is always positive, focal length of concave lens is always negative. This is just a fact. If you do a simple problem under these two lenses to find focal length of each thing, then you can get that focal length of convex lens will be positive and focal length of concave lens will be negative. When, if you use those sign conventions, you need to follow the sign conventions, then only you will be getting the focal length of convex lenses positive and focal length of concave lenses negative. If it is wrong, then you misunderstood the sign convention rules. So read it again from your textbooks. It's very easy, and there is no much tension needed. If you just understand once, you'll be scoring good marks if they ask you these questions. And that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.